music is for the big boys. Me I don't tire, eh. I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh. I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh. I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh. I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Tanka, you never see plenty, you just start plenty. You never see plenty. When money dey, oh, plenty no go stop you, yeah. You no go leave anyone for your children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire.
Oh boy, the fish sweet. Jesus. How do you do it? I love you live.
Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh. I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh. I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see.
Mama Caro, what do you put inside?
Mama Caro, you know, picnic spice.
Our Father, hey God. That's okra fish. It is sweet too. I'll chop our way for worry. It makes sense. I'm molestation. So guys, we're inside Kalamaya. Elekaya housing estate, and inside the estate you can literally get everything. Yeah, from great food, drinks, everything is inside the estate. I'm looking for roasted bolé. Roasted bolé, and coming down with some Guineas and some, you know. A bolé be that one.
All these places you see on our station, up to no. Oh boy, you know,
they're full,
they're full, yeah. Nice for the station for you.
So,
that place again at midnight. Because look at that spot, that side, you want now.
That's not bolé too.
Wake up to
So, which one was the more day?
So, get your Guinness, so get your drink.
We just found one. Hello, good evening. I'm greeting, eh? So guys, I'm currently at Mama Caro's Bolé. Located at number 3 Circular Road, Elekaya Housing Estates. So in case you find yourself in River State, Port Harcourt, you need to locate Mama Caro Bolé. I want to try it, then when I finish eating, I'll give review if it's worth visiting or if it's not. But until then, let me just go find somewhere to sit.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. He said he was fasting. Are you done with your fasting? Yeah. Very good. Can I get Guinness?
I have your pineapple, carrot, ginger, watermelon, beetroot, and apple.
I'm sweet already, so I don't.
Not really. I need a booster.
My immune is boosted already.
I need booster. I'm taking a banana.
I need stabilizer, booster stabilizer.
Get that in a bed. Sister, which one? Make a choice. It's fresh. So I'll take tiger no banana or not.
Mama Caro Bolé Center, live.
Live. Which one is that one?
Watermelon, beetroot, and apple.
Oh, the orange one.
Tiger.
Yeah, beetroot is good. Watermelon is good.
Pineapple, carrot with ginger.
Pineapple, carrot.
Pineapple, carrot, and ginger. Yeah, that's good.
Sister, which one?
What's this one? Tiger nut. This is a libido booster.
Yeah.
Why would you be taking libido booster?
No, this one is for stew. This one is just to make somebody stew. But boosting the libido for the man.
This is for men.
For men, this one.
Then how can a man take what will make a woman stew?
Because there's banana is to boost your libido.
No. This tiger nut does all that. So this one is supposed to be for women.
not only for women. Most of the customers want
to boost my libido. Banana. What's inside? Banana.
tiger nut, banana, and beetroot dates.
Okay. It's true. Banana, no. Tiger nut, dates, and beetroot. Yeah, then I agree with you.
So which one?
So you will drink this one.
You?
No, you know.
That's the one I'm drinking.
Yeah, I need Guinness.
Sister, which one? What am I drinking?
Tiger nut.
You confused?
You are asking her as what?
Don't mind.
As what? As what? How much is it? How much is that one? Okay. How much last discount when you buy 3? How much do you get?
Buy 3? Okay. We just do minus 500.
That pink one, what is it?
Tiger nut, beetroot, and banana. It's premium. It's the same, it's just that
Banana is there. Yeah, this is it. It has arrived. Wow, look at that. Mama Caro.
Come and talk here. I say for after.
Yeah, can I get another plate like this? Why not? I like that. Please bring it again and oh shot. Can we get another plate like this? With reduced oil on that one.
That one. Like exactly like this.
Yeah, maybe one fish. That one. One fish.
And 2 plantains.
Yeah.
Yes! You know, see now some people get Nigeria beauties. If they don't shy you a day, get as their body go to do them. This music is for the big boys. Me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Tanka, you never see plenty, you just start plenty. You never see plenty. When money dey, oh, plenty no go stop you, yeah. You no go leave anyone for your children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Tanka, you never see Shayo, you never see Bolongo, you never see Lanko. When money dey, oh, Shayo no go stop you, yeah. You no go leave anyone for your children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Tanka, you never see Shenkes, you never see Shenkes, you never see Shenkes. Go Port Harcourt, you go see enough Shenkes, eh? You no go leave anyone for your children, oh.
I'm seeing some other stuff in there. What are these ones? Uba. What's Uba?
That's
Oya bean.
It's common among
Oya beans. Oyi bean.
Oyibi, yeah.
Oyi bean. That's the English name?
Yes.
Oyi bean. Okay.
Nice, right?
Yeah, it tastes good.
That is good for eyes. Vitamin A.
Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Me I don't see plenty, me I don't tire, eh? I want to leave the rest for my children, oh. Tanka, you never see.
Oh boy, the fish sweet. Jesus. How do you do it?
I don't understand.
What did Mama Caro put?
No, the fish sweet. Even the sauce is the sauce inside.
I love you that.
Flenjo, you just start flenjo. You never see flenjo. When money dey, oh, flenjo no go stop you. Yeah. You no go leave anyone for your children.
The fish sweet. She marinate the fish, then she marinate the fish for 1 week. Everything turn enter inside.
Inside, I'm telling you.
See flenjo, me I don't tire. Yeah. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. Yeah. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. Yeah. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Tanka, you never see Shayo, you never see Bolongo, you never see Lanko. When money dey, oh, Shayo no go stop you. Yeah. You no go leave anyone for your children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. Yeah. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. Yeah. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. Yeah. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. Yeah. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Tanka, you never see Shenkes, you never see Shenkes, you never see Shenkes. Go Port Harcourt, you go see enough Shenkes. Eh? You no go leave anyone for your children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I.
This is Louisa, by the way, and this is Louisa's brother, and this is our mother. And she looked the youngest.
Wow.
We are the childrens.
Children's.
Childrens.
Flenjo, me I don't tire. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Me I don't see flenjo, me I don't tire. I want to leave the rest for my children. Oh. Yes, I'm on nothing me I never take. Oh, I'm on a wow. I walk back, Bolongo, anything, Blanco, red wine. Oh, mix down with anything now. I want to leave the rest of my children. Just start. I'm a guy, you never see you. Just start live, you don't understand. Yes, respect. Someone like Diablo Swan. Yes, respect your lunch.
I don't nearly die. If poverty get registered, my name will be number 1. I don't suffer so day. I win a award. Anywhere money go.
It makes sense.
Yes.
I like to know what Mama Caro puts inside. No soap, no soapy water.
No soapy water, there is soap. Where?
Please, hello. Can you grab the soap for me, please? Thank you. It's okay, it's okay. It's not too much. What are those? It's hot. Yes, so it makes sense. Mama Caro, what do you put inside?
Mama Caro, secret spice.
Mama Caro's secret spice.
Wow.
It's very nice, tasty, spicy, hot, and everything. complete. So I'll give you 100 over 50.
Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. Can I just get self-served here? Very nice, very nice. Bolé fish. No wonder Burna Boy is saying my favorite food is.
Okay, bonabo.
Yes, sir. Bolé fish.
Bolé fish.
I hear Burna Boy tell the can't chop here. Nah, yeah. Wow. Guys, this is where Burna Boy come to chop bolé and fish anytime he say Port Harcourt. Mama Caro. It's nice to meet you. Yeah. So now there's one small problem. Problem is our money will not reach. Don't worry, your reward is in heaven. You will collect the balance in that side. One guy say yes, but pay me at home first. And I reach heaven, I'll ask for. It's nice. Thanks for staying to the end. It was really nice, spicy, crispy, hot, temperature hot and spicy hot, and it was worth the time for the discovery and everything. See you on the next one. Until then, one love, peace and light. Bye. I run the city even though I'm not from here. Subscribe for more adventures.